I love using a hydration reservoir because I drink more water and I'm able to carry a little bit more than I would if I were using water bottles. But they can be hard to keep clean. Today I'm going to show you how to keep your hydration reservoir clean and mold-free. So the first step to having a clean hydration bladder is to make sure that you dry it out after every use. You don't want to leave it full of water in your garage or in your car. This can lead to mold. So I recommend having your bladder dry out over a wine bottle. You can use a paper towel holder, or Osprey even makes this special drying apparatus. While we recommend drying out your hydration bladder after every use, you don't have to go through the trouble of washing it every time. We recommend washing it before you store it away for long periods of time. This will help prevent the buildup of bacteria. Here are 3 different ways you can wash your hydration bladder. So if you happen to have a HydroPack hydration reservoir or a hydration reservoir that flips completely inside out, you can put yours in the dishwasher. So if you have another brand of hydration reservoir like Osprey, Gregory, or Camelback, you'll need to wash yours by hand. I recommend using hot, not boiling water, and you can use a dash of dish soap or other natural cleaners like lemon juice, baking soda, or vinegar. So you can use a regular dish brush you have at home, but you can also use what Osprey includes in their cleaning kit. They have a brush to clean the inside, and then they also have a long piping brush that cleans your tube and your mouthpiece. Also, don't forget to soak your bite valve in hot soapy water for 20 minutes and make sure that also dries out completely when you're done. So if you're looking for an even easier option, you can use a hydration bladder cleaning tablet like these ones from Outdoor Products. Depending on the product, you just mix it with hot water and you let it sit for 5 to 30 minutes, and then you rinse it with hot water, and that's it. You're done. So if you're particularly worried about bacteria or mold growing inside of your hydration reservoir, you can wash it, dry it, and store it inside of your freezer to prevent the growth of anything you don't want. So these are the basics to cleaning your hydration reservoir. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.